Hello guys. Now for today, as you can see the Dow Jones, it's up a little bit, okay? So nothing, but it doesn't go down. So this candlestick, which is green, we try to see Tuesday. If this green candlestick, the after one, it means on Tuesday, if it goes red, it will be the same as these. Okay, so for example, when let's say give you an example of this, you see those red candlestick, and then we see a green candlestick. So if afterwards it continue to have some green candlestick, the trend will reverse, like this one for example. Okay, here today it is weak, so it goes down too much, and then at the end of the day a lot of people they buy. It means we have like a balance. Now tomorrow we will see if this is the beginning of a reverse. It means a reverse. It means that the stock market can tomorrow can go with another green candlestick up, or maybe it is a strong one like this one here, or like this one, very strong. It can go up. Or if the market will go ahead and go down more, so this will go more down with the red candlestick. Okay, so it all depends on tomorrow candlestick, which gives us a new idea about if there is a reverse, yes or no, because this one is not really a confirmation. It's just the market stops. Now let's go to S&P 500. S&P 500, as you can see, it's the same thing. It stops, it goes a little bit up. It means as if there is nothing today. It's like neutral, because it goes down too much and then it goes up at the end of the day. So the SPY will do the same. Now S&P 500, Russell 2000, you see it goes down little bit more. Okay, so Russell 2000 is worse than Dow Jones and S&P 500. Tomorrow, if there is a big candlestick, we will see if the market will be reversing. It means going up again into another trend like this. Okay, another trend, or it can collapse. And understand that Russell 2000, it touches today the bear market line that I put for the what we call the correction. Here is the correction. Here is the low of the correction that I have explained many times since 9 of February. Today the market has gone below, but it goes up. Now since it goes up, we are not in a bear market for the Russell 2000, but we touch the support line. So maybe tomorrow will be decisive. If the market is strong tomorrow with all the market, there is a reverse. But if the Russell 2000 collapse for tomorrow and goes down, we understand that Russell 2000 will be in a bear market for tomorrow. And understand, if it continues like this, bear market, it means that the majority of the stocks in Russell will collapse, because a lot of day traders are just waiting for these moments. It means where things collapse and they begin to selling short every day. So the Dow Jones and S&P 500, although it is green, but it is not strong. The candlestick is not strong. Okay, Dow Jones is the same as Russell 2000. Dow Jones, the 30 stocks, is the same as S&P 500. 500 stocks, which is the same. So Tuesday, we will see a confirmation. If it is a reverse and the stocks will go up again, like doing the same zigzag thing, going down, up, down, or it can go down and touch the bear market line, which is the support line for the correction, because whenever the stocks go to this line and slide down, it means that we are in a bear market. Okay, so we will try to see tomorrow. Please, guys, be prepared for tomorrow. As today you have been prepared, be prepared tomorrow, because it might be decisive for the market trend. Thank you very much.